Chris Williams, Chairman, Jamaica Premier League.
So Chris Williams, what is the atmosphere today? You know, the first game out of the AstroTurf
Yeah.
and the grass surface. What's your thought on it today?
Uh, Happy to be in St. Ann, Drax. Nice, beautiful climate, cool, relaxing, and having, not capacity, but having some crowd has made all the difference in the world. I mean, you could see it in the players' eyes and in their actions. Their movement off the ball and energy was just spectacular. So being able to have crowd now is great, and we look forward to more to come.
So what are your thoughts on the goal that scored today in the last game with More Pleasant and Waterhouse?
I thought it was a very competitive game. I could see that nobody wanted to drop 3 points. They recognize where they are in the league, and the importance of maintaining the momentum and keep ticking away at the points. So you could see Waterhouse fight back, and it was a great game, great goal to equalize. So I'm happy. I think the move to Drax Hall and on the grass and with the spectators is moving the league in the right direction. So we look forward to more.
So what do you say about the ticketing system though? Because a lot of fans was outside on the container looking in, and for me, it looked like you lost some money there.
Ticketing system is an inch away from a disaster. It is something we're going to have to go back to the government on. It cannot support the crowd and the pressure. So it can't work. So we're going to have to find another solution.
So thank you for this interview. I am Sure Sports. Respect.
Thank you.